Kapitan. Very good.
Kapitan kasi siya yung barangay sa Pabaan ng Lubong. Media dito po na. Media dito po. Okay natin sa
Yung problem natin was AS42 na also.
No sir,
Ibang area na yan.
ibang area. Sa Mahinda Creek at Subang na po ang relieve nito. Tingis po doon lang. This one, ibang alignment na ito sir.
So this is also flooded.
Added,
Yes,
from high appraisals.
So we'll also do this.
Yes sir.
So this one is completed na ito, i-implement na ito. For 2027, we will build a pumping station. So we'll build a pumping station and a gate so that we can pump into the sea. But when it's high tide, we close the gate, it's babalik into the sea. So it will also help.
If you suggest lang sir, budget mo. Kasi nga ito sir, tapos na siya sir, no? Yung connected diretso sa outside.
Yes.
Pwede ba tayong maglagay ng pump dito sir?
No, we will put a pumping station here.
Yung kanyang approach na.
Yeah, I think this is the site.
Di ba detention pond yun siya?
Hindi.
Iba yung pangalan ni sir.
Combination. Kasi ang mangyayari, pupunuin yung... No, kaya nga. So, no, I have to find the... Anyway, I'll consult you later. Gumar, saan tayo?
Sir!
Saan tayo?
Dito tayo sir.
Mayor, AS42 na also flooded during Pino or hindi sir?
Sa isang piso, hindi siya nagbumaha.
Ang baha dun sa
Paano sir?
Butuan. Oh, I'm going to the Rio. Rio is part of my
Ayay.
Ay, sorry.
Okay.
Huwag po. Papitik lang po. If kita namin